We're already recording, guys.
What? We recorded already?
Yes.
Oh, it's on Ethan.
Of course.
It's on Ethan right now.
No, this is unboxing video.
This is going to be an unboxing video.
We will build a computer. I play Fortnite.
So the point of this is to what, Ethan? Do you remember?
Fortnite too.
You like Fortnite?
Yeah. The point of this is for Zooms. You better play Fortnite. And my brother playing Fortnite, which he doesn't have anything to play Fortnite.
So part of the problem has been that, well, Fortnite and Apple has been going back and forth recently, as you all know. And it's caused a bit of a problem for this young man. I felt bad for him because it was on an iPad, right, Bentley? And he was sad because they took Fortnite basically away between the fight between Apple and Epic Games. So what we're going to end up doing is we had talked about it, and you know, I'll be honest with you, this is my first build, my first computer build ever. So it's new to me as well. So this is my kid, so I thought we'd do it with
Apple made iPad not available. We have so many for Fortnite. We have so many animals. I went to go try to get the hedgehog, but this is our very first video. Just to let you know. We can go grab the guinea pig.
So what we're going to try to do is
grab
go
the
through
bunny.
each component of the computer and the PCU, and I'll be honest with you, this is my first build. So whatever we're doing here is completely new to me too. I don't know what I'm doing. I did a ton of research. Basically, Linus Tech Tips have kind of been a big part of what I've been doing, and also Short Circuit and Austin, who you should know also as far as like looking at computer components. So I'm hoping to help you out. So during this build, I'm going to explain to you what I've learned, which is not a lot. And I'm also going to put up there pictures of everything that I bought on a kind of a cheaper gaming system. So I had a relatively low budget. I've got 6 kids. So,
this is our first video.
I had to make sure that it was being responsible for each part. So everything that I had chosen basically was cost in mind. It's not going to be a steaming machine by any means, but it's going to be a machine that the kids can play Fortnite on, and that's kind of the goal, right?
Here we are on YouTube. Here's Simba. Ethan always wanted to be on YouTube. We are on YouTube, and I like this. It's better.
They love YouTube.
YouTube.
We're hoping to expand this. I would love to get to a point to where I can build you a computer too.
Oh yeah, the minus section then, so you better get it.
I want to build people computers also.
You don't have to get it.
So welcome to our house. This is kind of a mixed family. We have the rat bolts.
Wanna get a chance to get the Midas flopper? Where all Midas? Get off there. We have more
This is
boys,
my
but
family.
they don't want to come see you. They make it. The Midas flopper's out and the Vendetta flopper is out in Fortnite. Say bye to the guinea pig. I'm gonna bring these.
What is that, Bentley?
Oh no.
That's your RAM.
When? I don't know.
Show the camera the RAM. Now hold it there for a second. That is 2 8GB sticks of G-Skill RAM from Newegg.com. And that's 3200 megahertz. And the board itself, it says it would support up to, I think, 2933 is what it said. I'd have to double check, but hopefully it's going to be okay. Again, first build ever.
Fortnite videos?
We'll do Fortnite videos later.
Yay!
So go ahead and you can put that down. Everything on here actually was purchased from, by you right in front of the camera.
Okay.
So everything on here has been purchased from Newegg.com. And this entire build is under $500, including the CPU, which I chose a Ryzen 2600. It's a 6-core processor. I ended up going with a ASRock's Phantom Gaming graphics card. You got right in the middle of it, baby. Come over here. You're right in the middle, babe. You're going to have to scoot over. Here, you want to show them to them?
Yeah.
So this is a Radeon RX 570, and Ethan's head's in the way. And I'm just going to let it flow because this is my family. This is what we like to do. This is a 8GB DDR5 ASRock's brand
Oh yeah, there'll be some kid videos about Fortnite. No.
That, you want to show that, Ellie? That is a solid state drive that I found on Amazon, and I will actually put a list of all the prices and where I got everything from the internet. That thing was less than $50. It's I think it's a 460 gigabyte solid state drive. No, 480 gigabytes solid state drive, 6 gigabit per second internal hard drive.
This is gonna be the camera that I use for my videos.
Yeah.
Don't subscribe to us.
So I also went with a relatively cheap, under $50.
You should. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to me.
This is our first YouTube video also.
Subscribe to our channel. Leave the like button and subscribe.
Okay, but they don't want to see your head the entire time, so why don't you come over here and I'll let you get in there when you can. That's the CPU. Go ahead and put that up. That's probably one of the most important, delicate components of the entire system. No, I have not.
This is
That's a Jupiter power supply. That is, I think, a 500 watt rated power supply. And the one thing I learned during this build was that you want to pay attention to this 80 plus. So this 80 plus, which is a bronze, is one of the more reliable power supply units out there. And the reason I chose this was number one, cost effectiveness. I don't have a lot of money to spare to do this build, but I wanted to make sure the kids understood and appreciate the way that the games work.
Video at nighttime.
It is nighttime.
And this is a B450M Pro 4.
Show the camera.
How are we going to do it?
You gotta get in front of the camera. Remember, not in front of Ethan's head.
We'll make 2 teams of 2.
So that is an ASRock's B450M Pro 4 motherboard. It's got 4 slots for your RAM. It's got I think an AM4 CPU slot, and I think it also has 2 graphic card slots.
These are what it has. If you know Laserbeam, like and subscribe. I forgot what another said. Like and subscribe if you like Laserbeam. This is all for me. This is all for me.
Well, it is all for you, but it's all for the family too. But you got to understand what each one is as well.
We also just went apple picking today. We don't need to.
So this should be interesting today.
And I got some more. Can I have some apple cider?
Okay.
Huh?
Can I have some apple cider?
This time,
Yeah.
you push. All right.
Apples! We went apple picking today.
We did go apple picking today. So I think one of the first things we're going to do, we are going to open up the motherboard.
Don't tell them.
Apple cider. Where's that from, Ellie?
It's from
It's from an apple picking place.
Is this
What's the
something
name
we
on
can eat? It says apple.
Rickard Hill Orchards in Auburn. I think it's just outside of Auburn, Maine.
Is this
we
something
went
we
today.
can eat?
How do you expect
Wait, is
To
this
eat. This is memory for the computer. You can't eat this, dude. And your head's in front of the camera.
Is this the live stream?
No, this is not a live stream.
Aww.
I'm not playing anymore.
You're funny.
Sorry.
So again, I'm going to do this as good as possible. I'm going to hopefully have the kids interactive. We're going to do this together, right, boys?
We did try to make a slime video, but we didn't edit it on YouTube.
Yeah.
So,
No editing.
Subscribe and like the video.
The one thing I need to get prior to this build is some
Like and
screwdrivers.
subscribe if you
I'll
like
probably also get screw holders, etc.
Yes, like and subscribe also if you like fresh and lunch.
That's Brayden.
Yeah, but the YouTube videos about all them.
sure you're not.
I got the Midas flopper 3 times. I have the Midas flopper because I did the increased chance and I got the Vendetta flopper first fish. Wait, did you get the Midas flopper? Yeah. I got it 3 times. I got it once and I got the Vendetta flopper. No, I got the Midas. No. Wait, where's my dad? No. I'm not going to stop this video. You shut this on! Don't shut this on! Sorry. Then, okay. My dad left us with the camera. I'm sorry. You shut this on! Mom.
1, 2, 3, go!
Apple cider. Talk to the fans! If they are fans.
Well done, Gaspard.
I'm sad. Hi guys, I got my apple cider. And don't show them! And then, we are just waiting for my dad. He is getting pieces, but I told him we're going to talk about Lower Dad! Lower Dad! And I said we're going to talk about kid stuff. Better stuff. You haven't seen this one yet. You say hi to Connor. Okay. I think. Sorry, I left you hanging. I just went behind the camera. But the boys are in their room. I could bring you to them. I could show you around my house. I'll go ask my dad. I don't know who I should leave you with. Don't go! Bentley, can you sit right here and talk to them? Here. Hey, Connor, say hi. Say hi. Nah. Sorry, Connor is shy. He is shy. He's shy. We just wait him for our dad. I'm sorry, you probably won't watch this video. But I'm not like Foxy. I can look at light, and it won't hurt. Say hi, Brayden. Say hi, Connor. This is Dwayne. He's behind that pillow. This is YouTube. This is Dwayne. Our first one. Like and subscribe if you like Laserbeam's videos, and Fresh's videos, and Lynch's videos. Okay, please like and subscribe. This is our first video. Please watch this since our dad is coming soon. Yes, please like and subscribe. I'm sorry that we're crazy, but just like kids do. But I can point the camera on us as well. Shot to Carl! Point the one to Carl! Brayden, stop! Brayden, stop! Daddy wants it. Stay. Having fun. Sorry about that.
8, 9, and 10. Coming, Lou. Ready or not?
Don't just let that teeth! Brayden, it falls off!
I'm going to catch you. You might catch me, Simon. Oh, that's so itchy. Wait a minute, Simon. Tap, Lou. You're
Why were you doing
My
that?
dad's back.
Oh, this is my family, so that's why I'm not too concerned about the video. Ready, come help.
He knows we're crazy, but...
ready? Go.
This is our one.
Got it.
You see that, Lou? All in one go. Feels so pretty, Simon. Oh,
I have TikTok if you have TikTok. My phone's right here. You can get this case from Walmart. And my TikTok account. Hold on.
You too, Lou. You're my best friend.
So this is my account. Subscribe also if you're following me. Yes, that's my account. I think it's a little blurry. But that's my account.
Farther away it goes, the better the view. But
Well, yeah, that's my account. It's bright.
Well, considering this is our first video ever, I mean, again, I got 6 kids, so keep that in mind.
There it is.
This is mainly for the family members, so that way they can watch the kiddos do this build together.
Sorry, it was blurry, but it's the name. My name is Ellie Raffles. @
One thing that we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we get this separated out.
But yeah, make sure you subscribe to this video, like and share with friends. What if you just went on? And my dad wants to sell some computers to you guys. So
Well, you know, the point is like in this, the kids know so much about this YouTube thing, and to be honest with you, I don't know a whole lot about it.
I watch a lot of YouTube
But I'm hoping to
videos.
get this build, and hopefully Ellie will understand that she's going to have to move because I'm trying to get organized here to do an actual computer build. But this is what I look at. I got 6 kids that run around, all from 4 to 12 years old. So you can imagine.
If you're watching this, I have a favorite YouTuber. It's the LeBrant fam. If you're watching this, please say hi in the comments. Please.
So you guys want to learn? Connor, come here, buddy. We're going to be starting to learn this stuff. The first thing to do, from what I understand from looking, is to put in the CPU.
Well, if you watch this video.
So the one thing to remember before you do this is that it is electronically sensitive. So if you have any carpet or if it's kind of a hot, dry day, you could have issues with the motherboard itself. But this ASRock B450M Pro 4 motherboard had everything that I wanted the kids to have. It's definitely not top of the line. It's actually kind of on the lower level, but I'm hoping that it'll work. Yep, those are your audio inputs. It's got USB 3.1. It's got VGA. It's an ASRock. It's got the 4 DIMM slots. It's got 2 graphics card unit slots and 1 CPU. USB 3.1, a USB-C.
That's cool.
Looks like it's got, that's an old school mouse and keyboard hookup, and then 2.0 USB hookups.
Wow.
Yeah, it's got a M.2, which I might upgrade later for some storage, but we're going to try this. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, so we're going to kind of wing it.
Okay.
And then she said I was her best friend. And you know what she gave me, Mummy? A kiss on my cheek.
So I think the first thing to do is we
Daddy,
are
they
actually
can't see your
unboxing
face.
AMD.
They can't see your face.
Honey, like I don't know.
No, I'm talking about.
This shampoo does
It's fine.
No, like you're too tall.
I'm too tall?
Yeah.
I can see through the camera.
How's that, Ellie?
Where are you going?
How's that make me look?
Not that way.
Much better.
Okay, again, I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm coming, Lou.
So first thing that I understand is we're going to install the CPU. And I understand that it's kind of finicky on how we install this.
Yeah, we should just
So are you ready, Lou?
even though you
It's the first time we unboxed it. So let's see what the unboxing looks like.
Okay. This is pretty cool.
Ah, so this is the CPU, huh?
Wow.
The Ryzen 5
This is my little brother. He is 5 years old. Say hi. Hi. What's your name? Tell me your name. Xander. My name's Ellie.
The background talking is Connor.
Yes, the background is Connor.
It comes in nice little boxes. AMD. These kids can be crazy.
No.
Hey, who hit you with the
Daniel.
ball?
Put on a short. It's okay. He's a boy.
Hey.
And don't eat my mushy. Can they see me, Connor?
Yeah.
You're right, Lou. I really wonder where it came from.
Imagine we were live right now.
I know. Well, hopefully one day we get to be live. Let's see what these instructions
I think
tell
you
us to
can
do.
go live whenever you want on YouTube.
Oh yeah, and we get to do Fortnite videos.
Yeah.
Dad, look.
Getting a big should be title. Getting a big
You see my little brother? It is Ellie talking in the background. Wait, Connor needs to show his face.
Yeah.
Your mom told you you have to.
I made crackers.
Yeah, he's eating crackers. You